Passing the ICAG examination depends on a number of factors. Number one is definitely understanding the scope of the syllabus, the structure of the syllabus, and the key areas that you need to focus on to increase your chances of passing the examination. In addition to that, is understanding the structure of the examination. What will the examiner be asking in the exam hall, and what should you expect the examiner, the structure of the questions, and various things in respect of how that 3 hours is going to be in the exam hall? The third thing that you must understand is the structure of the questions, the wording of the questions, the expectations of the examiner when you are answering the questions. Now, the question you then have to ask yourself is, how do you really put yourself in the position to be well equipped to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination? The only way you can do that is by spending time to understand the fundamental principles that underline each of the topics in the subjects that you are writing. So if you are writing public sector accounting and finance, what are the fundamental issues? The IFRS, how do you understand them? Preparation of financial statement, question one. How will the examiner be structuring the questions in respect of that? Issues on PEFA or PIFA, Public Expenditure and Financial Accountability Framework. Issues on the overview of public financial management cycle, to be specific, budgeting. Issues on evaluation of financial statement. So in all of these areas, what are the things that you must understand? So understanding the principles will be important. In addition to that, it is important that you put yourself in the position to be able to practice questions under time. Because I say this all the time, that sometimes students fail the exam not because of lack of knowledge, not because of lack of understanding, but because they couldn't work within the time required. So by the time they realized, get ready to stop work, they have done 2.5 hours already, and all they have is they have answered only 2 questions, and that is all they are on their third question. Then at that point, they start panicking, and they know with all intents and purposes that they are going to fail the exam at the end of the day. And so how do you put yourself in a simulation so that you can really prepare yourself mentally, emotionally, psychologically to go into the exam hall and work with speed and accuracy? The way you do that is by practicing a lot of questions. It is by exposing yourself to questions, because it is one thing to learn the principles, it's another thing to see how the principles will be stated out in various structuring and context of questions. And so you can learn something like make or buy in management accounting, or shut down decisions, or break-even analysis, but you must find out and understand how those principles will apply to various sectors in the business environment. So you must find out, how will a restaurant apply the principle? How will a manufacturing company apply the principle? How will a consultancy firm apply that same principle? Now, it's the principle. It is going to be applicable across board, but you need to ask yourself, how will it apply in these various industries? And so that is why you need to expose yourself to a lot of questions. And this is where our practice question courses comes to play. Now, our practice question courses are designed with questions coming in from various backgrounds. So we are picking questions, carefully selected questions from the ACCA, from SEMA, from ICAN, that is Institute of Chartered Accountant, Nigeria, some questions even coming in from the ICA, as well as far back as ICAEW, Institute of Chartered Accountant, England and Wales, carefully selected questions based on the syllabus structuring to expose students to questions across various sectors, various industries with the same principles under the given topics. And that is what I want you to get access to. Enrolling in our practice question courses gives you access to the questions with a solution which you can download and use and study with. And then you get access to the question solution videos that will explain, have a walkthrough on the various things that you must understand. Okay, so this is the question. This is how that question is going to be solved. And then these are the steps you follow. This is why this has to be presented this way. Mark allocation, examination, guidelines, the chief examiner's report and expressions on the questions. So we do literally an analysis breakdown of these key questions to equip you with the ability to be well prepared and see the principles apply in various industries or sectors in the business environment, so that when you go into the exam hall, once you see the principle there, it doesn't matter the sector you are in, you'll be familiar with the sector and apply the principles under time, which is very important because working with speed and accuracy is a key goal. So you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application to complete your enrollment today. Remember, enrolling in our practice question courses also gives you access to join our Executive Revision Masterclass, our 2 weeks Executive Revision Masterclass, which we go through to prepare you to go through the key areas that you must understand to put yourself in the position to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So when you head on to the website, you can see the practice question courses there on financial management, public sector accounting and finance, advanced audit and assurance, management accounting is there, financial reporting, corporate reporting certainly is there, and then some IFRS master classes. Then our main courses also follow. So visit our website, NhyiraPremium.com, to complete your enrollment today, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application so you can complete your enrollment and start studying under my mentorship. Let me hold your hand with the team here. Let us assist you so you can go into the exam or write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. Now, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach us on WhatsApp or give us a call, 050-114-9296, 050-114-9296, or simply head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application. Wherever you are also, you can just search for Nhyira Premium. You can get access to our podcast, our YouTube channel, our pages, everywhere. So wherever you are, just search for Nhyira Premium, and definitely you will be able to get connected with us, get some of our content, and be helped so you can go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination. I'm looking forward to having you in one of our sessions where we spend some time together and teach you, provide you with the mentorship that you need so that you can go into the exam hall and pass the examination. I'll catch you during our live call. So if you learned something from this video, remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share the video so that others can also see this. Most importantly, let me hear from you if there are any questions you have, or if you have any topic that you would want me to cover on the next episode. Leave it in the comment section. I want to read from you. If you want to enroll as well in our courses to study under my mentorship for your ICA, ACCA, CIMA, or ICANN examination, you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store to complete your enrollment. You can also send us a message on WhatsApp or call us 050-114-9296, 050-114-9296. Complete your enrollment today to join our community. Let me hold your hand, provide you with the blueprint that you need with the team here. Let us assist you. This is our mission. This is what we do. This is what we are called for. And we have the resources, the skills, the expertise needed to help you to pass the examination. So visit our website, NhyiraPremium.com, to read more about us. Or better still, download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You want to get personal? Hit us with a DM or send us a message on WhatsApp, 050-114-9296. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.